Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The AI Perspective. Here on this channel, I talk about AI general concepts and AI use cases in everyday life. Today, I will talk about ChatGPT, how ChatGPT works. This is completely non-technical video just to explain the brief overview about ChatGPT. Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT generates human-like responses? Let's break it down step by step. ChatGPT can answer questions. ChatGPT is designed to understand and answer a wide range of questions, whether it's general knowledge, technical explanations, or creative storytelling. ChatGPT can write codes. ChatGPT can generate, debug, and optimize code in various programming languages, making it a powerful tool for developer. Here, a Python code for logistic regression is being written by ChatGPT. ChatGPT can create content from blog posts and reports to poem and a script. ChatGPT helps create engaging content effortlessly. Here, ChatGPT is creating a sunset image, and this is very beautiful image. How does ChatGPT understand and generate human-like text? So this is very important to understand. Transformer is the brain of AI. It is brain of ChatGPT as well. Introduced in 2017 paper, attention is all you need. The transformer model process entire sentence at once, making it highly efficient for language tasks. In the transformer, attention is the key. Attention helps ChatGPT or any transformer-based model to focus on important words and understand context. Imagine you mentioned to ChatGPT a sentence, I went to the bank to withdraw cash before walking along the river bank. Here the first bank referred to a financial institution while the second bank referred to a river bank. But how ChatGPT understands this? Attention helps ChatGPT understand based on surrounding words. Here on the right hand side of the screen we have attention map just for easy to explain purpose. First bank is giving attention on went, withdraw and cash. Second bank giving attention on walking along and river. So this clarify that first bank is related to financial institution and second bank is related to river bank. How this attention is being calculated, so that is not part of overview. That more details can be explored through various literature. Just to quickly give overview about how attention is being generated. So there are that is beauty of transformer. The transformer architecture main contribution is that multi-head attention. How ChatGPT learns? ChatGPT is trained on tons of text, from Wikipedia to lots of text available on internet, lots of open article available on different news sites, and lots of openly available research paper, many codes like Stack Overflow and all. Two important phases of training are pre-training and fine-tuning. Pre-training, during this language learns pattern, model learns language pattern by predicting missing word. And during fine-tuning, model gets refined using human feedback. How ChatGPT generates response. So once learned, then how it generates. Once ChatGPT learns the language, its grammar and its structure, then how it generates responses. It uses probabilities to generate the most likely next word. So this works in this way. Suppose I give this sentence to the ChatGPT and want it to predict the next word. Sentence is the single best tourist attraction in Paris is, and then next word need to be predicted. To answer this, ChatGPT predict next possible word from the corpus. Corpus is just for understanding basis purpose. Just for now, if you are not aware about corpus, consider that this is all the words in the language. So all the possible words in the language are here. Okay. So then ChatGPT predict a probability like among all those possible words, for all those possible words, what is the probability that that particular word will come next. So suppose these 5 words uh, were predicted by ChatGPT: Eiffel Tower 40%, Louvre Museum 25%, Notre Dame 15%, Seine River 11%, and Disneyland Paris 9%. So since predicted next word is highlighted, highest probability is Eiffel Tower, hence the answer will be Eiffel Tower. The complete sentence is: the single best tourist attraction in Paris is Eiffel Tower. So on this slide, we have learned how ChatGPT generate response. Okay, now here we'll learn how ChatGPT generate human-like responses. Generating response is one thing, but generating human-like response is another thing. Here it need to ensure some additional things. Once trained on predict next word, large language model are further fine-tuned to generate human-like responses. Fine-tuning ensures the responses are in the way that human prefers and is helpful, safe, unbiased, and contextually relevant. So fine-tuning is very important. Response should be safe. It should not be uh, having any hate information, or uh, any criminal information, or it should be very safe, unbiased, helpful, and contextually relevant. There are different fine tuning techniques. Some of them are supervised fine tuning, known as SFT, reinforcement learning from human feedback, known as RLHF, parameter efficient fine tuning, known as PEFT, instruction fine tuning, and domain specific fine tuning. Now you know how ChatGPT works. Quick summary is behind the ChatGPT application there is a large language model, LLM. Large language models are based upon transformer architecture. Transformer architecture processes entire text at once. Attention mechanism in transformer focused on important words. Training teaches AI to predict next word by learning a statistical pattern, grammatical structure, and contextual relationship from vast amount of data. Fine-tuning helps to generate helpful, safe, unbiased, and contextually relevant information. If you found this video useful, please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.